Why is car insurance in the US getting so expensive, even for safe drivers? Because here's the truth most people don't realize. You are not only paying for your driving, you are paying for a hidden risk algorithm that constantly recalculates your price. And in the next 2 minutes, you'll understand why two people with the same car can pay $1,200 versus $3,500 per year. But the real reason will surprise you even more. Let's start with the high search keyword most Americans type. Car insurance cost USA. Insurance companies don't set one fixed price. They use a dynamic pricing system based on driving history, credit score, location risk, even claim probability models. And yes, your credit score can affect your car insurance rate in many US states. But stay with me, because this is where it gets unfair. Car insurance is expensive because of 3 hidden factors. 1. Risk-based pricing. If your area has more accidents or thefts, your rate automatically increases. 2. Credit-based insurance scoring. In many states, a lower credit score equals higher insurance premium. 3. Rising repair costs. Modern cars use expensive sensors, cameras, and tech, so even small accidents cost thousands to fix. And here's the shocking part: insurance companies don't lose money when prices go up. They actually adjust prices to protect profit margins, not your budget. That's why keywords like cheap car insurance USA, best car insurance companies, auto insurance quotes are so highly searched, because millions of Americans are trying to escape rising costs. But most people make one mistake that makes it even worse. They compare price only, not the coverage level, and that one mistake can double your long-term insurance cost. If you want, next I'll show you how Americans actually reduce car insurance costs legally in 2026.